Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a true symbol of post-war American prestige, a machine built when luxury meant craftsmanship, presence, and effortless style. In front of us is the magnificent 1953 Packard Caribbean, finished in a deep, elegant black that gives this classic convertible an aura of quiet authority. This car wasn't built to follow trends, it set them. In the early 1950s, Packard stood among America's most respected luxury automakers, and the Caribbean was designed to showcase everything the brand could do at its absolute best. Limited production, hand-finished details, and grand touring comfort all come together in a car that feels more like a moving piece of art than simple transportation. Exterior. The first impression of the 1953 Packard Caribbean in black is pure presence. This is a car that doesn't demand attention loudly. It earns it through proportion, balance, and design confidence. The body is long, low, and sweeping. The hood stretches forward with graceful authority, giving the car a commanding profile that instantly communicates luxury. Finished in deep black, every curve becomes more pronounced. Light glides across the body panels, highlighting the smooth craftsmanship that defined Packard's design philosophy. At the front, the bold chrome grille anchors the car visually. It's wide, symmetrical, and refined, framed by substantial chrome bumpers that feel solid and purposeful. The headlights sit proudly within sculpted housings, contributing to a face that looks dignified rather than aggressive. Chrome detailing is used generously but tastefully. Trim lines run along the sides, catching light and adding visual motion even when the car is parked. The long rear deck flows smoothly into subtle rear contours that complete the elegant silhouette. Being a convertible, the Caribbean offers two personalities. With the top down, it becomes an open-air luxury cruiser that invites admiration from every direction. With the top raised, it maintains sleek proportions without sacrificing elegance. The white-wall tires paired with polished hubcaps provide the finishing touch. They balance the dark body color beautifully, creating contrast that enhances the car's classic identity. This is not just styling, it's automotive sculpture. The design communicates prestige without excess, confidence without arrogance. Interior. Opening the door reveals a cabin designed for comfort, refinement, and relaxed motoring. The 1953 Packard Caribbean interior feels welcoming rather than flashy, prioritizing craftsmanship over ornamentation. The dashboard design reflects classic 1950s luxury. Large, clear gauges sit behind the steering wheel, framed by polished trim. Controls are simple and intuitive, arranged to support a smooth, distraction-free driving experience. The seats are wide and deeply cushioned, upholstered in premium materials that reflect the luxury standards of the era. They are designed for long-distance comfort, not just visual appeal. Sitting inside, you immediately notice the sense of space. The cabin feels open and airy, especially with the convertible top lowered. The steering wheel itself is large and elegant, designed for controlled, effortless cruising. Every surface inside the cabin feels intentional. Chrome accents are placed carefully, not excessively. Switches operate with solid mechanical feedback, reminding you that this car was built during a time when durability mattered. Passenger comfort is a central theme. Legroom is generous, seating posture is relaxed, and visibility is excellent thanks to the car's expansive glass area. Rather than overwhelming the driver with features, the Caribbean focuses on atmosphere. It creates a sense of occasion every time you step inside. Performance. Under the long hood of the 1953 Packard Caribbean sits a powerful V8 engine designed for smooth, confident motion. This car was never intended to be a high-performance sports machine. Instead, it was engineered to deliver refined, effortless power suited for grand touring. The engine produces strong low-end torque, allowing the car to move forward with calm authority. Acceleration builds steadily rather than aggressively. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, reinforcing the relaxed personality of the vehicle. The suspension is tuned for comfort. Road imperfections are absorbed gracefully, making the car feel composed even on uneven surfaces. This is a vehicle built for smooth highways and scenic routes rather than tight corners. Steering requires more input than modern vehicles, but that weight contributes to a sense of mechanical connection. You feel engaged with the machine rather than isolated from it. Braking performance reflects the technology of the era, requiring anticipation and deliberate control. Once accustomed to its behavior, the car rewards smooth, thoughtful driving. Overall performance is defined not by speed, but by composure. The Caribbean glides rather than rushes, emphasizing elegance over urgency. Driving the 1953 Packard Caribbean is an experience rooted in presence and atmosphere. From the moment the engine starts, the car communicates character. The view over the long hood creates a sense of scale and importance. Steering inputs feel deliberate. The engine provides a steady, reassuring soundtrack rather than a loud roar. With the convertible top down, the experience becomes immersive. Air flows naturally through the cabin, enhancing the sensation of motion. The car encourages relaxed cruising rather than hurried travel. Ride quality is soft and composed. The suspension prioritizes comfort, making long drives feel effortless. This is a car that excels on open roads where it can maintain smooth momentum. Wherever it travels, the Caribbean draws attention. Not because it's flashy, but because it's dignified. People recognize that they are seeing something rare and significant. Driving this car transforms travel into an event. It invites you to slow down and appreciate the journey. Prices and collectability. The 1953 Packard Caribbean is a highly desirable collector's automobile due to its limited production and historical significance. Surviving examples are relatively rare, and demand among collectors remains strong. Pricing varies widely depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Vehicles requiring restoration may appear at lower price points, while fully restored or exceptionally preserved examples command premium values. In today's collector market, prices typically range from approximately $80,000 to over $200,000. Exceptional examples with documented history and high-quality restoration can exceed that range. Ownership involves specialized maintenance and attention, but enthusiasts view this as part of preserving a historic automobile. The Caribbean holds value not only financially but culturally, representing a peak moment in American luxury car manufacturing. The 1953 Packard Caribbean represents a defining era in automotive history, a time when craftsmanship, prestige, and design elegance shaped luxury vehicles. It stands as one of Packard's most celebrated creations, reflecting the brand's commitment to excellence. The Caribbean symbolizes a philosophy of driving centered on comfort, style, and refined engineering. This car reminds us that automobiles can be more than machines. They can be expressions of culture, design, and aspiration. The 1953 Packard Caribbean in black is more than a classic convertible. It is a statement of timeless luxury. Its graceful exterior design, refined interior comfort, smooth performance, and rarity combine to create a vehicle that remains captivating decades after its creation. It offers an experience modern vehicles cannot replicate: authenticity, presence, and emotional connection to the act of driving. For collectors, enthusiasts, and lovers of automotive history, the Caribbean represents a pinnacle of classic American luxury. If you enjoyed this deep long-form review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me which legendary classic you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep appreciating the beauty of timeless machines.